What is the first thing you should do after your divorce is filed? The very first thing you should do after you or your spouse has filed for divorce is create what's called a press release statement or a divorce announcement. When celebrities divorce, they or their public relations team often sends out a press release statement regarding the divorce. Divorce is an undeniably difficult time for the parties and children involved. Now, imagine going through a divorce and having to explain the situation over and over again every time you ran into someone new. You can create a public announcement on your social media account, similar to celebrities, or you can have a mini speech prepared for any time people may ask. This may seem a bit odd, but it is actually quite useful. It protects your privacy and it will save you from a lot of awkward conversations. And remember, many people do not care, they're just curious. So it's almost always best to keep private matters private. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you live in Texas and would like a free kit to do your own divorce, please check the description box below to sign up.